Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Twinkle if you don't know me already, and I'm going to create this simple wearable Diwali look, and I'm also going to talk about my hairstyle. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful look, simple, elegant wearable look, then continue watching the video. I did a Diwali video. I will link it in the description box. That was like glam makeup with a lot of glitters and a lot of highlighter. So today I'm gonna do very simple look, very wearable look. That was just an experiment, and like I did plan 2 videos for Diwali, so this will be like more of like a neutral yet festive look. So let's get started. I will first prime my face using the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Now I have quite a few new products with me. I have the LA Girl eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this for my look today. I have the Nomad highlighter. So a couple of them are new and few are very old. So let's just start with the base. And for base, I have my current favorite foundation, NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. Since it's a festive season, I thought I will use the full coverage foundation, and like with the NYX primer, this goes really well. So I will take a generous amount and spread it all over my face. Like nearly 1.5 pump, if that makes sense. And I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. I will first dot the foundation and then blend it. So my base is on, and I think I have to conceal my face a little bit, and for that I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. So I did apply very little amount, and now I'm gonna blend using these 2 tools. So this is the Real Technique sponge, you already know, and this is the foundation flat brush. So first I'll use this and then the brush. Now I'm gonna set my whole face using the Kat Von D translucent powder. Now my base is all set. Now I'm gonna apply blush, highlighter, and do contour my face. So for blush, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Color Show blush, and I'll just take it on my angled brush and just smile and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Now I have this palette called LA Colors eyeshadow palette in the shade Smokey, and I'm gonna use this brown shade for my contouring. It comes with a brush which I'm never gonna use. So for contouring, I'm gonna use the same brush, and I will take this shade and contour a little bit. Oh, this is supremely pigmented. Just bronze my hairline. and my double chin. I am going to take the angled brush and just contour my nose a little bit. Now I'm going to use my favorite thing, that is highlighter, and I have this highlighter from the brand called Nomad Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Sun-Kissed, and it is so beautiful. I'm going to take any angled brush and just highlight my high points. Can you see that? It's so pretty. Now I will set my whole base using the Faces Canada makeup fixer. Just gonna fan a little bit, and can you see that glow? And if you feel like anything is too much, you can always use your blender and just sponge everything out. Now we'll be moving on to the eyes, and for eyes I already filled my eyebrows using the Miaadora eyebrow pencil, and you can see by the condition like how much I have used this. I'm in the shade Cocoa Coffee. So I will be doing my eyes now, and for that I'm gonna use the same LA Girl eyeshadow palette, and this is new in my vanity. I'm really excited about it, and I will use this shade and this shade for my transition area. So I'm going to take this fluffy shader brush and just do my transition quickly. It is nicely pigmented. I'm just gonna focus on my outer V right now. So first I took the cool tone brown, now I'm going to take the warm tone brown. This is really pigmented and I'm scared. Both colors are blended really well. It's just giving like a nice definition to the eye. And whatever is left, I'm gonna use it in my lower lash line. I have done this zillion times in my life now, and I always love it. It's like 3 colors and you are done. So if you don't know what to do with your makeup, you can go for this look. It's very easy. Now I'm going to take this shade and like, can we take a moment and just appreciate this shade? It's so beautiful. I can even use it for my highlighting. So I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my lid. I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush from the Faces and I will apply that shade. I feel like the brush is not picking properly, so I will use my finger afterwards. I'm just giving like a rough base to the lids. Can you see the difference between both the eyes? I'm going to take the same brush with which I did transition and I'll merge these three shades. Beautiful. I think I'm going to use this golden shade in the center of my lid and see how it looks. It's like a copper golden shade. It is looking okay. Yeah, actually it completes the look if I'm not wrong. I'm going to blend everything with the same brush. And now to line my eyes, I'm going to use the Ipsy collaboration. It's the bettyboop X Ipsy eyeliner and I love the tip of it. I just got this and I'm using it since like 2 days and I'm impressed with the formula. It will draw like the possible thinnest line and I will actually like wing it a little bit. And now I'll apply mascara and falsies. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use my current obsession. It's the Toofaced mascara and it's in the variant Damn Girl. And now I will do lipstick, my hair, bindi, and then I'll apply the eyelashes. So first I'll line my lips and I'm actually confused between these two shades. The one is Cherry Red and the other one is Powerhouse from Creole Rouge and this is from Thin Lizzy. First I'll line my lips and see. This is actually looking beautiful. So this is the Thin Lizzy Cherry Red Velvet Lip Creme. It's looking too much on camera, but everything will come together once I do my hair. So I'm gonna do my lashes, apply bindi and do my hair and come back quickly. So I actually decided not to wear eyelashes because a lot of you don't have eyelashes or don't prefer to wear eyelashes. So since this is a simple look, I'm not going to wear eyelashes and I applied bindi and I did low buns. Since my hair were greasy, I thought of doing like something different and like it only takes like 2 minutes and it looks like you have done a lot of effort. So like I did tied my rubber band and it's not even like a proper bun, it's like bun, and then I just took out some hair and like just pinned it with the normal bobby pins. I took out my hair from front and I twisted my hair because I have like baby hairs here. So I twisted them and like pinned it here. So it only took me like 2 minutes. And I have worn this beautiful gown. It has elephants all over, like elephant work, and it's like a beautiful anarkali gown, and I'm wearing this sort of Banarasi dupatta So I will be uploading pictures on Instagram of my full outfit, and this is my final look. I am really happy about how it turned out. You can wear it in like Diwali Puja or New Year Day or any wedding. It's very simple, very wearable, and a lot of you would be able to recreate it. So I'm really happy about how it turned out, seriously. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.